let us proceed with our solution. We are going to solve all these questions. We are at number 21 now. The product of negative 2a and negative 3a is. So product means multiplication. So we just have to multiply these two numbers to obtain this. So negative 2a times negative 3a. Let's rearrange the terms. Negative 2 times negative 3. Then we multiply the a by the a. Negative times negative will be positive. So we are going to obtain 6 in this case. Then a times a will give us a squared. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Now, let's proceed to the 22. When 6 is added to a number and the sum is divided by 3, the result is 4. These statements written using mathematical symbols is. So we let the number be x. When we add 6 to the number, we obtain 6 plus x. So this is now the sum. This is called the sum. And we're told that the sum is divided by 3. So divide this by 3 to get, divide this by 3 to get this. And this is now the result. This is the result. And we're told that the result is 4. So this must be equal to 4. So this is our final expression. So therefore the correct answer is option B. Althea normally saves $X each month, but in June she saves 4 more than twice her usual amount. In June she saved how much? So we know that normally she saves $X. Then we're told that he saves twice this amount in June. So twice this amount is 2x. Then 4 more than that amount will be addition. So 4 more than means addition. We add 4 to it. So you get 2 times $X plus $4. And that will give us option D. Now let's proceed. If 3 plus 2 over 3x is equal to 1, then what is the value of x? So we first multiply, we create a denominator here. You know, the denominator here is a variable, so we multiply through by that variable to obtain this 3x plus x times 2 over x plus 1 times x. Now let's simplify. When we simplify, we get 3x plus 2. This cancels this, then this will give us x. Now we group like terms to get, we subtract x from both sides and subtract 2 from both sides to get this. Now the next thing is we divide both sides by 2 to obtain x to be equal to -1. Therefore the correct answer is A. If x equals 4 and y equals 2, what is the value of x squared plus 3y all over xy? So we do the substitution. Let's do the substitution and see something. We have x squared plus 3y over xy. So we substitute to obtain 4 squared plus 3 times 2 all over 4 times 2. And this will be equal to 4 squared is 16, 3 times 2 is 6, and 4 times 2 is 8. Then we add the numerator now to obtain 22 over 8. Now we cancel both sides by 4. 4 goes here. We cancel both sides by 2. 2 goes here, 11. 2 goes into 8 4 times. Now 4 goes into 11 2 times. Remainder 3 all over 4. Remainder 3 over 4. So the correct answer is this. Now let's proceed with this. The expression -2 into x minus 4. is the same as. So we are going to use the distributive property. Using the distributive property, we multiply this by this, then we multiply this by this. So we have negative 2 times x, then minus negative 2 times 4. Note that the negative will become positive. So 2 times 4 is 8, and negative 2 times x is negative 2x. And the correct answer is negative 2x plus 8. This is the correct answer. Now we have this. If the determinant is 0, then A is. So when we have a matrix and the determinant is 0, then that matrix does not have a solution. A matrix that does not have solution is called a singular matrix. Therefore, the correct answer is this. So we move on to the next question now. We have this x equal 1, 3, negative 3, 3, 0, 5. Then we have y equal 3, 0, 2, 1, 0, 5. And we are supposed to find the order of this matrix xy. We have the order of a matrix is row by column. How many rows? 1, 2 rows. How many columns? 1, 2, 3. So this is a 2 by 3 matrix. 2 by 3 matrix. Then this is row by column 1, 2, 3. We have 3 rows over here. Then how many columns? 1, 2 columns. So we have 3 by 2 matrix. Now the order of x times y, we are going to seek these ones, and we are left with this. We are left with the outer ones. So the order will be 2 by 2 matrix. So the order of the product xy is 2 by 2. Now the correct answer is A. So when you multiply it, the outer products will give you the order of the products. The inner products will sink. Now we proceed to question 29. If the vectors P and Q are 3, 2, and negative 1, 4 respectively, then negative P minus 2Q is. So we just do the substitution. Negative P, wherever we see P, we put the vector, and wherever we see Q, we put this vector. Now let us multiply using the scalars. So this is like negative 1. Negative 1 times 3 will give you negative 3. Negative 1 times 2 will give you negative 2. Now you can also decide to multiply by negative so that this becomes positive. Or you can multiply by this, the absolute value, and maintain the sign here. So 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. 2 times 4 is 8. Now we can subtract the corresponding components. Negative 3 minus negative 2 becomes positive. Then negative 2 minus 8. Now let us do the addition now to obtain this. If you add negative 3 and 2, you get negative 1. Then this will give you negative 10. So this is not part. So the correct answer is negative 1, negative 10. This is a mistake. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Now let us proceed to the 30th question. Item 30 refers to the following parallelogram WXYZ. In the parallelogram, R is the midpoint of XY. So this is the midpoint of this and this, XY. Based on the information in above, ZR is equal to, so we want to find ZR. ZR will be equal to ZY plus YR. From there, the triangular law of vector addition, ZY plus YR. So this will be meeting them. This will be meeting them. Now we know that yr is half of yx. From here to here is half of this because it was given that in the midpoint. R is the midpoint. So we also know that yx is equal to zy. Yx is equal to yx. This is equal to this. Yx is equal to zy because the opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Then we also have that yx, so yx is equal to zw. So yx is equal to zw. So in other words, yx is equal to negative wz. Now we fix in this over here to get wx minus half of wz, and that will give you option B as the correct answer. Now if you can still see this red thing here, it means you have not yet subscribed. So you just have to click it so that the next upload, see it is still red, you have to click it so that if I upload the next video, you'll be informed. Click the bell icon too so that you get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.